affectionate teachers, cooperative parents, dear students, friends, well-wishers, we are very happy to celebrate 80th Independence Day of our country, India. How happy we are. Students here, we should feel proud of ourselves because 80 years we are all united, doing hard work in order to develop our country. Students, independence did not come to us overnight. Long struggle, a great battle, non-violence, all together mixed up, and we got independence by the great sacrifice of our national leaders. You know them: Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. You see here Sarihad Gandhi, Ghaffur Khan, Maulana Abul Kalam, great leaders from our country, Alluri Sita Ramaraju, all with great perseverance, determination, they struggled for freedom. Their continuous efforts, their sacrifice brought freedom to us. Students, we are all very happy and we can do whatever we want under the Constitution. In those days it was not like that. We were ruled by various nations for more than 200 years. Portuguese, French, Dutch, English conquered us and ruled us. See, we have come to know the freedom. We rose against. Collectively, we fought and got freedom. Students here, the patriots brought freedom for us. Generally, the people don't know the value of the things which they already have. You children, as it is not seen by your eyes, freedom, you don't have much curiosity and attraction about it. Freedom is very powerful. Emancipation, very powerful. You can do whatever you want. You can settle anywhere in India. You can do any job you like. You can become a representative through election.